Hello students. So we have completed up to worksheet 3 CUQ question 10. Today we will start with level 1 question 1. Okay. So our first question is 1 minus tan square 45 minus theta upon 1 plus tan square 45 plus theta. Okay. So we have to calculate the value of 1 minus tan square 45 minus theta upon 1 plus tan square 45 plus theta. See here, if we take 45 minus theta as theta, if we consider it as theta, we can write it 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Do you remember whose formula is this 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta? It was the formula of cos 2 theta. Okay. If we take theta as 45 minus theta, then it is the formula of cos 2 theta. We will put in the values. Okay. It will be 1 minus, our theta is 45 minus theta. Okay. We have put in the value of theta as 45 minus theta. So here it will be also 45 minus theta cos 2 of, in place of theta, our theta is our theta is 45 minus theta. Okay. So if we solve it, it will be cos 2. If we multiply 2 inside, it will be cos 2 multiplied by 45 is 90 minus 2 multiplied by theta is 2 theta. Again, if cos of 90 minus 2 theta, it is 90, so it is an odd multiple of 90. So ratio will change to sine. Okay, sine 2 theta. Again 90 minus 2 theta means it is in first quadrant, so it will remain positive. So our answer is sine 2 theta. So our option is first one. Okay. We have just put in the value of theta as 45 minus theta. The formula was like that, so it will be cos 2 theta. We have just put in the value of theta as 45 minus theta, and by solving we got sine 2 theta. Okay. Now second question is 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. Upon 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta. Okay. Now sin 3 theta, we know the formula for sin 3 theta. What was that? Sin 3 theta was 4 sin cube theta. No, it was 3 sin theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay. And here it is also cos 3 theta. So formula for cos 3 theta was four cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. We have written these formulas. Sin theta equals to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, and cos 3 theta was 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay. So we will just put in the values of sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta. So it will be 3 sin theta will remain as it is minus sin 3 theta, value of sin 3 theta is minus of sin 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, upon 3 cos theta plus, now value of cos 3 theta is this one, so we will write in bracket. Okay, it is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now by solving again, it is 3 sin theta, again multiplying minus inside the bracket, so it will be minus 3 sin theta, and minus will get plus, it will be 4 sin cube theta upon 3 cos theta plus, here it is plus, so it will sign will not change inside the bracket, so it will be 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, now 3 sin theta minus 3 sin theta will get 0. What is remaining? Only 4 sin cube theta, and 3 cos theta minus 3 cos theta, it will be again 0, remaining is 4 cos cube theta. Again 4 divided by 4 is 1 sin cube theta upon cos cube theta. Remember tan theta was sin theta upon cos theta. So sin cube theta upon cos cube theta will be tan cube theta. Okay. So our answer is third one, tan cube theta. Okay. We have just put in the value of sin 5 formulas. Sin 3 theta was this one, cos 3 theta we have put in the values, and by solving, multiplying by minus then plus, by solving 3 sin theta and 3 sin theta got cancelled, 3 cos theta got cancelled, and remaining was 4 sin cube theta upon 4 cos cube theta. Again 4 divided by 4 is 1, sin cube theta upon cos cube theta is tan cube theta. Okay. Now third one, cos 3 theta upon cos 2 theta minus 1. Okay, this is the question, cos 3 theta upon 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. Again we can write the formula for cos 3 theta. Formula for cos 3 theta was 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, formula for cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, now here also it is given cos 2 theta. We can write the formula for cos 2 theta. Formula for cos 2 theta was 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, we have written all the formulas, do learn it. Okay, cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1, and cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So again we will put in the values. Cos 3 theta, it is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta upon, it is 2. Again cos 2 theta, we know the value of cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we will write it here 2 cos square theta minus 1. Again this is minus 1. We have put in the bracket because it is in multiplication. 2 will multiply to both the terms. Okay. So it is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta upon, if we multiply 2 inside the bracket, it will be 2 2s are 4 cos square theta, and 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2 minus 1 again. Here it is minus 1. So it is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta upon 4 cos square theta minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Now again, see here, it is 4 cos cube theta and it is cos theta. In the denominator, it is same, but just one cos is not there. It is cube, it is square. Here it is cos, but here it is not cos theta. So only cos theta is remaining to cancel the denominator. So we can multiply by cos theta. Okay, we have to multiply it in the denominator, but for making it neutral, we are multiplying in numerator and denominator both. Okay, so it will not change our question. Okay. Now, if I multiply 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, in numerator I am not multiplying, but in denominator I will multiply cos theta to this term. So it will be 4 cos square theta and cos theta will be cos cube theta minus 3 into cos theta is 3 cos theta. Okay. So 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta upon 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta will get cancel. Now what is remaining? Only cos theta. Okay. We have just put in the formula question formula for cos 3 theta and cos 2 theta. Okay. We have just put in the formulas and by solving, and then we have multiplied because we want to cut this. Okay. So 1 cos theta was not there, so we have multiplied by cos theta to numerator as well as denominator. Again these are same, so this divided by this will be 1, and what is remaining? Only cos theta. Okay. So our answer is first option, that is cos theta. Now fourth one, if x square plus y square is given as 1, then 4x cube minus 3x square, it is a whole square, plus 3y minus 4y cube whole square. Okay. Now do you remember, it is cube, it is x, it is y cube. Formula for cos 3 theta was four cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and sin 3 theta was 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So why I have written those formulas? Okay. So cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay. So this is in the form, it is x cube. So we can compare cos 3 theta. See, cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. If we compare this one and this one, it is 4x cube. It is 4 cos cube theta minus, here it is minus 3x and here it is cos theta. So we can write x equals to cos theta by comparing these two. Okay. And sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So if we compare these two, it is 3y, it is 3 sin theta minus 4y cube, it is minus 4 sin cube theta. So if we compare these two, it is, we can write y as sin theta. So y is equals to sin theta. Okay. So x is taken as cos theta and y is taken as sin theta. So if we just put in the x as cos theta and y as sin theta, it will be 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta square plus 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay. I have just put in the value of x as cos theta and y as sin theta. So 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, it is the formula of cos 3 theta. So I can write cos 3 theta whole square, it will be cos cube theta. As it is square, we can write here square, cos square 3 theta plus, here it is also square. So 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, it is the formula of sin 3 theta, but it is square, so we will write sin cube of sin square of 3 theta. Okay. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This is the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Here it is also 3, in place of theta it is 3 theta. So we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta as 1. So our answer is 1. So option is first one, that is 1. Okay. We have just put in the in place of x cos theta and in place of y sin theta. Okay. Now fifth question is cos A plus sin A. Upon cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A upon cos A plus sin A. So if we multiply, if we cross multiply it, it will be cos A plus sin A. Here it is cos A plus sin A, here it is also cos A plus sin A. If we multiply it, it will be square minus cos A minus sin A into cos A minus sin A. It will be cos A minus sin A whole square. Now here it is cos A minus sin A. here it is cos A plus sin A. So it is A minus B. If we take cos A as A, sin A as B, it is A minus B, A plus B. So we can write it as A square minus B square. So it will be cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. We have put the formula A minus B, A plus B as A square minus B square, means cos square A minus sin square A. So if we expand it, it will be A plus B whole square. Formula for A plus B whole square is A square means cos square A plus 2AB means 2 cos A into sin A plus B square means sin square A minus. Now this is the formula of A minus B whole square. We can expand it by taking A and B. A minus B whole square, it will be A square means cos square A minus 2AB means 2 cos A into sin A plus B square means sin square A. Now again, cos square A minus sin square A, it is the formula of cos 2A. So we can write it directly cos 2A. Cos square A minus sin square A is equals to cos 2A. Now cos square A, if we multiply minus inside, it will cos square A minus cos square A will be 0. Now sin square A, if we multiply minus inside, it will get cancelled. Now what is remaining? 2 cos A, 2 sin A cos A minus, if we multiply minus inside, it will be plus. Here it was 2. 2 sin A cos A upon cos 2A. Okay. So 2 sin theta cos theta, it was the formula for sin 2 theta. So we can directly write 2 sin of 2A. 2 sin A cos A was formula for sin 2A. So we have written here, it is also 2 sin A cos A. So it will be sin of 2A. Here it is plus, minus minus will get plus. So 2 sin A plus 2 sin A, 2 sin A cos A plus 2 sin A cos A upon cos 2A, it is sin 2A plus sin 2A upon cos 2A. So once sin 2A plus sin 2A will be 2 sin 2A upon cos 2A. So sin 2A upon cos 2A is tan 2A. So it will be 2 tan 2A. Okay. We have just put in the, we have just cross multiplied, and by expanding it, A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, and cos square A minus sin square A is cos 2A. Then we have got 2 sin A cos A plus 2 sin A cos A upon cos 2A. Then again 2 sin A into cos A is formula for sin 2A. 2 sin A cos A is formula for sin 2A. Then twice of sin 2A upon cos 2A. Then sin upon cos is tan, so it will be 2 tan 2A. So the option is third one, 2 tan 2A. Okay. Now next one, it is a multi-correct choice type 1 minus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta Now 1 minus cos 2 theta. If we write sin square, formula for sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. That was the formula, sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. Here it is 1 minus cos 2 theta. So from that formula we can calculate 1 minus cos 2 theta. So 1 minus cos 2 theta will be 2 sin square theta. Okay. So in place of 1 minus cos 2 theta we can write 2 sin square theta. Again plus sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is, formula for sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So in place of sin 2 theta we can write 2 sin theta into cos theta. Upon 1 plus, now again it was 1 minus cos 2 theta, it is 1 plus cos 2 theta. So formula cos square theta is, cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. So it is a formula. So we can write cos 1 plus cos 2 theta, we can derive 1 plus cos 2 theta from that. So it will be 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta. So we can write in place of 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta as 2 cos square theta, plus, so again it is sin 2 theta. In place of sin 2 theta we can write 2 sin theta cos theta. So from numerator if we can take common sin theta, 2 sin theta. So if we take 2 sin theta common, it will be, what is remaining here, it is sin theta plus 2 sin theta we have taken common, it will be cos theta upon, again in the denominator we can take 2 cos theta common. So it will be 2 cos theta, in bracket it will be cos theta plus sin theta. So again sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta, it will get cancelled and 2 will also get cancelled. What is remaining? Sin theta upon cos theta. So it is equals to tan theta, as sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So the option is first one, tan theta. Again we can write tan theta as 2 tan theta upon 2. We can write tan theta as 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2. It was written in the formulas, okay. We can write tan theta as 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Again we can write it also as 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta. It was again the formula we have written. So the options are tan theta, this one and this one. Options are first, second and third, okay. Again 7th question, if 8 sin theta cos theta cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta is equals to sin x, and we have to calculate the value of x, okay. So 8 sin theta cos 2 theta cos 4 theta is equals to sin x, we have calculated the value of x. So it will be, we can write 8 as 2 into 4 or 4 into 2. So it will be 4 to the 8 and sin theta cos theta into cos 2 theta cos 4 theta equals to sin x. So 2 sin theta cos theta, it is the formula for sin 2 theta. So it will be 4 multiplied by 2 sin theta cos theta is 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So we can write in place of this sin 2 theta. Now what is remaining? Cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta equals to sin x. Now again we can write 4 as 2 into 2, 2 multiplied by 2. Again what is remaining? Sin 2 theta cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Now 2 sin of 2 theta into cos of 2 theta. Here theta is given as 2 theta. Theta is given as 2 theta. So we can write formula for 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So in place of we can write 2 multiplied by, it will be sin of 2 sin 2 theta, means here it is theta is 2 theta. So we will write sin 2 theta, means 2 multiplied by 2 theta. Okay. Again what is remaining? Cos 4 theta. So again it will be 2 multiplied by, it will be 2 to the 4, sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta equals to sin x. Okay. Now again it is 2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta. Formula for 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So we can write sin 2. Now here theta is 4 theta. So we will write through into 4 theta equals to sin x. Now it will be sin 8 theta. Now from this the value of x is calculated as 8 theta. So x will be equals to 8 theta. So we have just write 8 as 4 into 2 and then 2 sin theta cos theta is written as sin 2 theta. Then again 4 is splitted as 2 into 2. Then 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta is sin of 4 theta. Okay. We have just used that formula only. Okay. Now again 2 sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta is sin of 8 theta. So it will be x is equals to 8 theta. Again the options are given. First option is 16 theta by 2. So it is also correct. 16 theta by 2. It will be also 8 theta. Second option is 8 theta. Third one is 4 theta. So it is not correct. Fourth option is 32 theta by 4. So it will be also equals to 8 theta. Okay. So the options are first, second and fourth. Okay. Now integer type question. Tan theta is given as b. And we have to find cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta. Now we have to calculate this. So cos 2 theta, formula for cos 2 theta is, one of the formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So we can write 1 minus 2 sin square theta okay. Formula for cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus b is given as tan theta into sin 2 theta. Again sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. One minus 2 sin square theta. Again we can write tan theta as sin theta upon cos theta into 2 sin theta cos theta. So again cos theta will get cancelled. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and what is remaining? 2 sin theta into sin theta. It will be 2 sin square theta. Again it is 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin square theta. So it will get cancelled. So answer is 1. So answer for 8th question is 1. Okay. We have just put the formula for cos 2 theta as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Then tan theta into sin 2 theta is written as 2 sin theta cos theta. Then tan theta is written as sin theta upon cos theta. Cos theta will get cancelled, and 2 sin theta into sin theta is 2 sin square theta, and again this will be equals to 0 and remaining is 1. Okay. Now 9th question, comprehension type. Under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus 2 cos theta. Okay, we have to find the value of this. So it will be under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus, if we take 2 common from this, it will be 2 into 1 plus cos theta. We have taken 2 common and remaining is 1 plus cos theta. So formula for cos square theta by 2 was formula for cos square theta by 2 was 1 plus cos theta upon 2. Here it is 1 plus cos theta. So we can calculate the value from that of 1 plus cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta will be 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay. 1 plus cos theta will be 2 cos square theta by 2. So it will be under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 2 into 1 plus cos theta. We have calculated 2 cos square theta by 2. We have just put in the value of 1 plus cos theta. So it will be equals to under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus, if we take here it is 2 multiplied by 2, it will be 4. If we take square root of 4, it will be 2, and if we take square root of cos square theta by 2, it will be cos theta by 2. Okay, we have removed the square root and take this out. Okay, it will be 2 cos theta by 2. Again under root of 2 plus under root of, again if we take 2 common from here, so it will be 2 into, in bracket it will be 1 plus cos theta by 2. Okay. So we have to calculate 1 plus cos theta by 2. So if 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, we have to find 1 plus cos theta by 2. Here I had taken theta as half theta by 2. So in right hand side also we have to make the angle half. So it will be 2 cos square theta by 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So 1 plus cos theta by 2 is 2 cos square theta by 4. So it will be 2 plus under of 2 into 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta by 2 we have calculated as 2 cos square theta by 4. Okay. Now again under root of 2 plus this is 2 into 2 4. If we take square root of 4 it will be 2 and cos square root of cos square theta by 4 will be cos theta by 4. Again I have taken 2 common, 1 plus cos theta by 4. Now we have to calculate 1 plus cos theta by 4. So 1 plus cos theta by 4. So it is 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. If we take 1/4 of this angle, so in a right hand side also we have to take 1/4. So it will be 2 cos square theta by 8. So 2 into 1 plus cos theta by 4 we have calculated as 2 cos square theta by 8. Okay. Now again if I take square root, it is 2 into 2. So if I take square root of 4 it will be 2. I have taken square root, it will be 2 cos square theta by 8, square root of this will be cos theta by 8. So our answer is 2 cos theta by 8. The option is second one. Okay. But this is a very long method. We can also solve it by just putting theta as 0. Okay. If we put theta as 0 in the question is under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus 2 cos theta. So if I take theta as 0 directly, we can take any angle. Okay. It will be cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 again taking square root of 4 it will be 2. So it will be 2 plus, if I take 2 plus 2 it is 4, square root of 4 is 2. Again 2 plus 2 is 4, square root of 4 is 2. Now from the question answer is, if I take theta as 0 answer is 2. Now we will put in the options. Options are 2 sin theta by 8, two cos theta by 8, cos of minus theta by 16, and sin theta by 8. If I put 0 here, it will be sin 0, 0 upon 8 is 0, sin 0 is 0. So answer for this is 0. Now if I take theta as 0, it is cos 0 is 1, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So we have found the answer. From question if I put theta as 0, we have found, we have calculated 2. Then again if I put in second option theta as 0, we have found the answer as 2. So second one is the answer for this question. Okay. Now remaining we will take in next lecture. Do you have any doubts up to this? Okay, we will continue in next lecture. Okay, bye.